Hello, I'm Rush Wilson, and welcome to Window Shopping Wednesdays at Rush Wilson Limited. Today we're going to talk about our dress window, and to get us started, I'll introduce Jay.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. Let's take a look at our first mannequin in the window. He is wearing an Empire gray and black herringbone sport coat from Empire Clothing out of Canada. And then underneath we have a blue Hagan dress shirt, which is a slight print. It's almost like a little herringbone. And wearing a Christmas plaid, black, green, red, and white tie with a cashmere Alden Paine wine color sweater. And then lightweight blue flannel pants from Coppley. And then next to him, wearing a beautiful blue, kind of a little bit higher blue than navy cashmere blazer from Coppley, a red vest from Empire, Christmas tie with ornaments, and a graph check shirt from Hagan. And then the pants, he's wearing a light gray window pane.
Next, to finish out our holiday window, we have a beautiful tartan from Rochester Manufacturing. These are the new Southwick, making all the Southwick models, with an Eton cutaway collar shirt, a great looking matching Christmas tie and pocket square from Hanauer. And then on the bottoms, we have these beautiful lightweight flannel pants from Coppley. And to match up with the outfits, from Armin Oehler, the Augusta 2 with some great looking Christmas socks. From Alden, the classic shell cordovan penny loafer. And we have a nice selection of cashmere socks as well. And this great looking pecan suede from Armin Oehler tassel loafer with some more holiday socks. We look forward to seeing you. If you need help, don't feel like coming in to the store, give us a call and we'll do things by video or by photograph and text photographs to you. And don't forget, we complimentary wrap all our presents for you. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Merry Christmas.